This short video is to illustrate to you how to use the sample problems that I'll be posting during the semester on Moodle. At the Moodle site, go down to the second section, which is the August 24th segment, and right at the bottom you will see sample problems for time value of money. Now this little green icon here means that this is actually a book, and when you click on sample problems you're going to get a book with different chapters. Now right now there's only one chapter, but later there'll be some more added. So when you click on sample problems, this opens the book called Sample Problems, and right over here in this area there will be chapters. Now right now there's only one chapter for simple interest. Now when you click on the simple interest link you're going to get an Excel spreadsheet. So let me go ahead and do that and show you what it's going to look like. So we click on that, you'll notice it downloaded a link in Excel. Now different systems may look a little different, but it's going to be an Excel spreadsheet. So I'll go down here and click on the Excel spreadsheet. And this is what's going to open. It's a sample problem that'll illustrate computing simple interest. Now when this opens, if it asks you to enable editing, be sure and click on enable editing, and then be sure and click here where it says enable content. It won't work unless you make sure this content is enabled. Okay? Once you get the spreadsheet ready to go, be careful and use it just as it's illustrated. You can put in any principal, any interest rate, and any time. When you put those in, all you have to do is click right here to get an answer. So for it, $1,200, 8% in 2 years, you click and the interest is $192. This number will not change for new numbers, okay? It won't change for new numbers until you actually click to clear, and now you can put in new numbers. So you could go in here and you could put $900 at 4%. Now what if it was for 6 months? So right here you'd put 0.5. That's a half a year. Okay? And then you could simply say click for answers. There's the interest. Notice how the cursor moves down when you click to answer. You will get an error if you move that cursor anywhere else. So with that cursor right here, you can simply hit click to clear, and now you can put in a new set of numbers. If you put the cursor over a cell, you do not have to click the cell, just hover over it. It'll give you some hints off to the right about how to enter information. Don't forget, time is always based on parts of a year or multiple years. So if it was 2 years, it'd be a 2 here. If it was 9 months, it'd be 9 over 12 is 3/4. You'd put 0.75 here. If it was 1 month, it's 1/12. So you'd put the right fraction there. Right? So that's how you use this particular spreadsheet. Do not move the cursor off somewhere like this, because what happens is when you click these buttons, it'll put it in the wrong place and it'll mess it up. So be sure and put your information in, and then click to get the answer, and then don't move this cursor again, and then this will clear it. You can put anything in there you want to and practice. Now I'll be adding other of these sample templates in that same book, and then what it will do is as I answer these different ones, it'll simply right here there'll be a chapter 2 and then a chapter 3 and then a chapter 4, and in each case you can use these templates to put any numbers you want to in there and see if you can calculate the right answer. I hope this little template will help. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask me in class.